Hi everyone, and welcome. Today, we're talking about something pretty serious for businesses, involuntary dissolution. It sounds complicated, but we'll break it down easily. Simply put, involuntary dissolution is when a business is legally ended, not because its owners want to close it, but because a court or government agency forces it to shut down. This is a big deal for any company. Why does this happen? There are several key reasons. One common reason is administrative noncompliance. This means the business failed to follow state rules. Maybe they didn't file their annual reports on time. Perhaps they didn't pay their state taxes. Or they might have failed to maintain a registered agent, which is a person or office designated to receive legal documents. These are often simple oversights but can have severe consequences. Another reason could be a court order. A judge might step in and force a dissolution if the business is involved in fraud. Illegal activities are another serious cause. Severe mismanagement that harms the company or its investors can also lead to a court-ordered shutdown. Sometimes, if business partners or shareholders are in a complete deadlock and cannot agree on anything, making the business unable to function, a court might dissolve it. Creditors can also play a role. If a business owes a lot of money and simply cannot pay its debts, creditors might ask a court to dissolve the company. This allows the business's assets to be sold off to pay back what's owed. So, who usually forces this? For administrative reasons, it's often the state's Secretary of State office. For more serious issues like fraud or deadlock, a court will be involved. The process usually starts with a warning. The business often gets a notice that it's not compliant. They typically have a chance to fix the problem. If they don't fix it, then a formal dissolution order is issued. After dissolution, the business's assets are liquidated. This means they are sold. The money from the sales is used to pay off debts. Any money left over is then distributed to the owners. The consequences of involuntary dissolution are significant. The business legally ceases to exist. In some cases, owners can even lose their limited liability protection, potentially putting their personal assets at risk. It also creates a negative mark, making it harder to start new businesses in the future. It's a final and often painful end. Thank you so much for watching and learning about involuntary dissolution with us today. If you found this video helpful and easy to understand, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-understand business topics and legal explanations. Your support helps us create more content like this. We truly appreciate you.